there's a lot of women on the jury, and when her attorney was speaking, he was specifically addressing the females in the audience. He was saying, now I know there's a lot of women on this jury, and I know that you guys can understand if you were married to a man for 18 years and he cheated on you. So he's really trying to get the sympathy of the female jurors on that jury to try to help his client not get life in prison.
And let me tell you, Celine, a lot of the people who are calling about this case are women who've been cheated on, and they have a lot of sympathy for this woman. Look at her. She's got glasses and gray hair, and look at her competition, this beautiful blonde bombshell. How can you compete? But does it justify killing? The prosecution's certainly not buying this. Oh, I just snapped because I was so jealous and I wanted to kill myself and I don't remember what happened defense. Check out this exchange from moments ago.
You made the decision to end his life.
No.
You were successful at ending his life, weren't you?
Yes, I guess so.
You guess so?
I didn't do it on purpose.
You plunged that knife in to his chest, 2.5 to 3.5 inches. You intended to do that, didn't you?
No.
You stabbed him 8 times in the back. You intended to do that, didn't you?
No.
But you did it, Mrs. Trayers, didn't you?
Yes.
And you did it after he took Zolpidem, didn't you?
Yes.
And you did it when he couldn't defend himself, didn't you?
I don't know.
Isn't that true? He could not defend himself against you.
I don't know.
I want to go out to famed prosecutor Marcia Clark, author of the extraordinary book, Guilt by Degrees. You are a former prosecutor famous for the O.J. Simpson case, which, of course, was all about jealous rage. Just because you're in a jealous rage doesn't mean you don't premeditate. In fact, murderous brooding and a desire for revenge is what premeditation is all about. Right, Marcia?
Yeah, it is, except that premeditation can be proven in as little as 10 seconds. Premeditation simply means that you have thought about it ahead of time and that you didn't act in a rash impulse. So you don't measure premeditation in units of time. And there's a jury instruction that actually says that. So the fact that she didn't plot it for days ahead of time, or may even have just come up with the plan minutes before she did it, that is sufficient to prove premeditation.